Hello future S4 Hana Financial Accounting Consultant. Are you gearing up for the S4 Hana Financial Accounting exam and dreaming of that certification? Well, you have come to the right place. Stick with me through this video and I will share the secrets to passing the S4 Hana Financial Accounting exam on your very first attempt. We have crafted this practice test to give you the ultimate exam experience. We have got everything you need to feel confident and prepared on the test day. Here is what makes our practice test a game changer. Realistic exam simulations. Our questions mirror the format and difficulty of the actual exam and give you a taste of what to expect on the test day. In-depth explanations. We don't just provide the correct answers. We explain the reason behind them, ensuring you grasp the underlying concepts and best practices. Plus, we have included references to the study material by SAP, so you can dive even deeper if you want to. Real-world scenarios. Our questions are rooted in practical situations you might encounter in your consulting role, helping you bridge the gap between theory and application. By consistently practicing with our practice test, you will build confidence. You will approach the exam with a solid understanding of the material and a strong belief in your abilities. Identify knowledge gaps. You will pinpoint areas that require further study, allowing you to optimize your preparation time. Master exam strategies. You will become familiar with the exam format and develop effective time management techniques. But wait, there is more. And to make your study sessions super efficient, we have organized the questions by category. We have used the same categories that SAP uses on the actual exam, so you can focus on the areas where you need the most practice. So are you ready to take the first step toward becoming a certified S4 Hana Financial Accounting Consultant? We welcome you to enroll in our practice test and start your journey towards success. Best of luck for your exam.